In this video, we will introduce the steps to build and debug settings of the project, with the project with multiple parameter monitoring function with ELCL. Please refer to the previous videos for project creation. Let's check the build settings. Right-click on the project name and click on C++ Project Settings. If you need to change the optimization level, select Compiler, Optimization, and make changes. Right-click on the project name again and click Build Project to build the project. Please confirm from the console screen that the build was successful. Connect the evaluation board to the PC with a USB cable. Configure debug settings from Run, Debug Configurations. Open the Debugger tab, Connection Settings tab, and change the COM port settings to the port you are using. Click Apply. You can start the debug session from here. The procedure for build and debug settings of the project is finished. Please refer to the application note RL78G23 ELCL, multiple parameter monitoring function for the system configuration diagram, timing chart, and other details regarding the multi-parameter monitoring.